So much space. Just love it. The renovation team uses the latest technology and design. Check out this soft close wardrobe. Hi James, how are you?
Hi, very good, thank you, thank you.
So James, with this project, turning a 3-bedroom to a 4-bedroom house, how long did it take you?
This project actually took about 6 to 7 weeks, and that's including pretty much ripping the whole thing apart, reorganizing the bathrooms, designing the kitchen, building the kitchen, everything custom made, just to suit the property.
And you were mentioning to me that everything is under one roof. What does it mean?
Yeah, exactly. So what it means is one point of contact, that'll be myself, and then we approach the customers. We deal with the whole thing, the whole lot, from the beginning all the way to the end. I have a team of about 40 people that's sitting behind us and supporting us the whole through. And pretty much your customers only dealing with myself, and we design the project from the beginning all the way to the end, and that's about it.
So you're saying from the beginning to the end. What is from the beginning to the end means to the customer?
Yeah, good question. So from the first time that we meet in the property, we look around, we see what can be done. I'll be advising of what I think will be the best way to design the property, make more space, more livable space, also how to increase the value. Then we go through the coding stage, and that will lead us into the execution, signing the contract, running the whole job. I'm going to get the whole team. It's going to be about 10 people here on the first day. Lots of action, lots of energy. Then through the 5 to 6 weeks, we'll be finishing and completing and having a nice, clean, beautiful property.
Fantastic. So when the customer comes to you, does he need to go through their own architect or interior designer, or can you provide that as well?
Yeah, that's a good question. So most of the time we design and help the customers using what their mindset and what our experience after doing a lot of do-ups. We also have an internal designer if necessary.
James, a lot of people would ask you this question. How much does it cost to renovate a property?
That's a very good question. So normally properties are quite expensive to do and renovate, because most of the time it's not very organized, and prices getting affected because of that. So what we have done, we have managed and streamlined the whole process, the team, the processes, what they do and how they do. So that saves time, and time is money. So enhancedly, it reduced the cost of the project.
So it's very cost effective.
Yep.
And you mentioned that you've got systems in place. What does that mean?
Yeah, so all the team and the project from the beginning all the way is all been designed from the first day. We know exactly who is going, what time, what they do, and who is working with who on the site at the same time. So there's no collusion between people. They are very trained to work with each other. We can run it very nice and smoothly. And it doesn't cause the team to run many times on the site. It saves them travel, and travel is time, so it reduces their cost.